We learned about optimized health plans through a business networking meeting with various business owners that we met, and one of them happens to be the owner of Optimized Health Plans. And then the time we met him, we have a son. He's 16 now, but he was 15 then, and he had been diagnosed with cancer. So we were about halfway through a year-long process treating that, and Zach told us that he could still save us a lot of money, and we had a hard time believing that. So we put the meeting off with him for a while, thinking, we have to get through this crisis first, because with a high deductible and high medical bills, we didn't think there was a way we could decrease any of that by switching insurances. Finally, we did meet with him, and lo and behold, we did. He saved us. We went from paying $1,000 or more on medical bills and prescriptions to $300 and some odd on the prescriptions with our coverage premium. We were really surprised by that, and so we did make the switch right in the middle of a health crisis.
Well, like he said, we actually put off talking to optimized health plans, thinking that it couldn't benefit our family at this time. But it was really, really incredible to have them come in, analyze what we were paying, offering coverage that was head and shoulders above what we were getting for far less money. And we just, at a time like that, when there's so much going on and you're in crisis mode, to have somebody come in and take care of that side of things, the financial side of things, and help us as much as they did, was absolutely incredible.
When we met with Optimized Health Plans and told him our concerns, he said he could create a policy that would save us a lot of money in the middle of the cancer treatments, and it did. And when the next year started, our plan just rolled over into a normal plan. There wasn't anything new for us to do or hassles to go through. There wasn't an interview process. Optimized Health Plans just took care of everything for us.
And all of it happened in one day. It was one meeting. Everything was analyzed and proposed, and we went with it, and the savings happened immediately. Optimized Health Plan understands the Affordable Care Act more than anybody I've ever talked to, and I was very impressed with his knowledge. We put off talking to them for 6 months, and if I could go back and do it differently, I would have talked to him much earlier and optimized our health insurance much sooner.
Something else that I thought was really beneficial to us was Zach and the team at Optimized Health Plans are very considerate of people's time, and they don't talk down to you. He explains everything in a language you can understand, makes the phone calls to the insurance companies for you, with you sitting there, deals with stuff that you may not either have the time or the knowledge to face or address at the time. It was a real pleasant, easy process.